Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, entertainment gossip, celebrity gossip. If you're someone who likes some gossip, this is the channel for you. Guys, Wiseman Mncube is allegedly cheating on his wife. This person just got married months ago, and now there are allegations, wama side chicks, and like kuningi sana. People can't even enjoy their marriage for just 1 year nyana ke, and then allegations come because it's less than a year, since he got married. But ke sana, we cannot be blaming side chicks every time, guys. Sometimes we don't have to blame people all the time. It takes two to tango. That's what I can say. So I see people on Facebook blaming the girl. Who's no, this girl, how could you sleep with a married man without protection while you are not even on contraceptives? How could you do that? Really, you wanted to break the marriage and don't. Guys, it's not always the case. And by the look of the chats, because Sana, the side chick, was fuming. She posted the chats, Sana, and Sana, to add on things. Ugel is with child. Ugel is with child. She started texting Wiseman when she was pregnant. Uti guy, I'm pregnant. What are we going to do with the situation? Oh, Kainji was like, what? I am not the father. I have a wife. He kept on emphasizing nje ukuthi ngithi nginomfazi sisi, sibona ukuthi wenzani, make a plan, that's just not my business. So Ugel texted him again saying ukuthi, hi, I gave birth, what are we going to do with the child? You can do DNA test kesana if you don't believe ukuthi this is your child. And then Ugel was like, hey baba, ngiyaphinda ngithi nginomfazi. And once a guy refuses to do DNA test, Sana, he is guilty. He knows what he was doing. He knows. Because if you know, with Sana, I was not dating this person, I was sleeping with this person in protection, you would agree to be doing DNA test. So, Shuguti Vele, they were sleeping without protection. So, another thing, I would say this child could be mine. And I feel like you could have handled the situation better, just agree with her, okay, it's fine. How much do you need per month for me to assist you? Or maybe agree to do the DNA test and then send up health every month. Now you are exposed, sana, your reputation, industry nje. Like kuningi, and now even the wife is involved, sana. The wife is sending messages to the side chick. Girl, please remove your posts. Why are you posting our chats on social media? Okay, it's like, I'm not removing anything because I'm not lying. And when you keep on texting me, I'm going to be posting these chats again now and don't text her now. Like, guningi, son, guningi. I feel like, okay, I must just do DNA testing, and then they agree with, okay, fine, every month, this is the money that I'm going to be sending. And then agree with just do a healthy co-parenting and just carry on with their lives. Because at this point now, as the wife is involved, it shows what the wife is aware of the situation, and this thing it's going to drag until they do DNA tests. Hey, Sana. And Wiseman is in the industry. Industry, your reputation is very important. One wrong mistake and you are out. So you really need to be careful with the industry, Sana. But hey, these are lezo zishisayo enginiphethe zona sana ziyashisa. And I feel like the girl was not going to post amateurs on social media or to expose Wiseman Mncube. But it's because he was not cooperating. So the girl was like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? If like Mdlam cooperated with, oh, okay, you are pregnant. Okay, can you please wait for the child to be born? Then we do DNA test. And then and then they do DNA test. And then, oh, okay, the child is mine. Okay, I'll tell my wife, and then we can see how. But guy was not cooperating. It was just like, you know what, we will see with the social media. Who are they going to believe when you are a nobody? Hey, one thing about chats, guys, don't send things like that to my chats because I can screenshot and post. He was like, we will see who the media is going to believe between you, a nobody, and me, someone who is in the industry. Nkosi yami, amadoda sana. Not that I'm justifying it with sleeping with a married man is okay. I'm just saying that they were both wrong now, you know. They were both wrong in their own ways. But Sanama daughter. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Bye.